Hi, welcome to Healthy Home Cooking. Today we are going to unbox the Hoover Commercial MPWER Cordless System. It's a 40-volt backpack vacuum cleaner. My husband's employer recently bought a vacuum cleaner to vacuum the business, and he knows that I do unboxings for YouTube, so he allowed my husband to bring it home and I get to unbox it here live on YouTube. I have no idea what I'm getting into, so let's get to it. We got the hose, and we have the main unit. Of course, the directions. We're gonna get this. There we go. With a little help from the cameraman. Here are the accessories and a user manual. I think I'm going to have to cut those all open. These are metal, and it looks like they go together just like this. Let's see what nozzles we have. We have a massive crevice nozzle, and that I believe is for floors. Solid floors, not carpets. Or maybe I have it backwards. This one is a big brush. And a small brush. Okay, now what is included with this vacuum cleaner? Well, you have the canister backpack itself, and inside here you will have a allergen filter bag, a cloth filter bag, a HEPA media filter, and a Hexaguard filter. So that should all be in here, and we'll investigate that momentarily. Then you have an upper wand and a lower wand, a dusting brush, a hard floor tool, and I think this is neat that the brush on the front is a little higher than all around, so you can go over the dust and then it actually gets sucked in real easily. A carpet tool, and a massive crevice tool. This, of course, is your hose. And this is an extender for the waistband, so if your waist needs a little extra room, you can we can accommodate you with this extender. Okay, let's look inside of this. Get the straps out of the road. Down here, right there, this is what they call the, there's a HEPA filter and Hexaguard filter. I guess it's all in one. So that, you'll have to buy a replacement. And I think I saw one on the other side too. We'll look at, yeah, it looks exactly the same. And they easily pop in and out. Oh, and then there's a black filter here. Maybe the one's probably, I'm guessing this is the Hexaguard filter and this is the HEPA filter, because this looks like a HEPA filter I've seen on a different vacuum cleaner. And everything else is supposed to be up here. Oh, I see, there's more inside. So that has 3 latches. And that just pulls straight up. So here's your cloth bag. And then here, what do they call it? The allergen filter bag is this. and it simply attaches on here, and this is the part you'd replace. Put all of that back in. I want it to snap, but I guess it doesn't. It just uses these 3 latches. Okay, now let's put the whole thing together. First, the hose inserts into the top of the machine. And it goes the whole way in. Both ends of the hose appear to be exactly the same, so I don't think, yeah, that's in. I can hold the whole unit. I don't think it matters which end you put into the hose, the machine, and which end you put into the wand. And the wand is easy to put together. It just snaps like that. And then you put the hose over this end, and you have to bring it over this ring here so that it locks in place. And then on the opposite end, you put the attachment, and this actually screws a little bit. We'll put the little one on first again. And then we'll tighten it back up. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Well, you can loosen it so that it swivels, or it can be locked into place, whichever you prefer. Okay, if there's a negative I can see right now, and that would be that the charger and the battery are sold separately. Now, is that really a negative? I don't know. I didn't buy the machine, so I don't know cost-wise if that was a plus or a minus. But I just think it's a little bit of a pain that you have to buy them separately. Okay, this is the charger. And it looks like any other battery charger. You can't see anything really special. It looks exactly like the lights here look like my husband has the Ryobi machines for the lawn, and it looks like the battery just slips in just like those machines. Only it seems a little bit lighter than those. Oh, it also has a place that looks like you can hook it onto a wall, do a wall mounting. And the battery itself is heavy, substantially heavier than the charging unit. It's in a Ziploc. Just like that. You're just going to, until it clicks. And there you go. I'm looking like some of them have it looks like it's over here, lights that you can see if it has any juice in. And it looks like this is half full. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera or not, but if you press this button here, did I do it hard enough? There we go. You got 2 lights. And take this out. Oh, you hold the handle, and this just pull straight up. And so let's figure out how to put that on the main machine. Okay, it looks like it goes on the bottom here. And put it through here. There you go. And you have 2 speeds you can go. The 1 is for low and the 2 is for high, and then the sender is off. So let's see if we have any juice. That's low. And here's high. While we're on this side of the backpack, this is also adjustable for all heights. I believe the height was between 5 feet and 6'3". You simply unscrew this screw and adjust the shoulder straps either higher onto the machine if you're tall or lower onto the machine if you're short. It's in the middle position, which is supposed to be fine for a person of my height, which is 5'6". So let's put it on and try it out. Need to adjust the straps. That's better. Most of the weight's supposed to be on the hips. Okay, if you're pretty skinny, I'm not sure if this is going to work too well. And on a kid, and you also have this strap to come across. And that's going to do nothing at that position, so let's cinch it up a little bit. I feel like a Ghostbuster. Maybe that's where they got the idea for this backpack. This vacuum would really be useful if you are vacuuming a flight of stairs so that you don't have to mess with the canister going up or down. It would also be useful with reaching the nooks and crannies of a closet or a curtain rod way up high. Or you could even take it into the garage and vacuum your car as well as the rest of your house or business. Thank you for joining me today here for the unboxing of the Hoover Commercial MPWER Cordless Backpack System. Be healthy and keep on cooking.